Hi brewers, Gary here from VOC Home Brewery. Happy New Year to everyone. Any of my subscribers know I've not been brewing on film for a while. I did go to brew about a week ago, I think it was, and somehow managed to got a new video camera and managed to not put the sound on for the first 3 segments, and I just couldn't be arsed, to be quite honest with you. So there we are. So anyway, today I'm brewing getting very low on stocks. I'll explain why very shortly. There's the grains in there ready for tomorrow. System's had a massive clean out, give it a real good going over. Final rinse out with Star San just before. Phil topped it up. You can see it's quite nippy. The groundwater 6 degrees. It's 2 degrees in my brew room, bloody freezing. Just getting it all ready for tomorrow. So yeah, brewing Verdant Lightbulb. Can't remember if I've just said it or not. Yeah, so I've got it all ready, and hopefully, well, it's going to be freezing cold in the morning. So hopefully have a nice trouble-free brew day, and I'll check in with you when it rolls over. It's back again. Following morning, rolling on from the previous vid. Pitch dark. Last night was, what was it, 1 or 2 degrees out in my brew room here. Got a thermometer there. This morning it is about 6. Slashing down with rain, but not too bad. Suitably tired. So yeah, just started the mash now. So yeah, literally less than a minute ago. Give it a half-hour mash rest. Stirred it in really, doughed it in really well, mashed it in, whatever you want to call it. Give it a real. I'm getting much better efficiencies. The last 6 or 7 brews seem to be getting around 90%. One couple of brews ago, I got 95%, and the only thing I'm really doing different is leaving it a few minutes longer on the mash rest and stirring it in like a man digging for gold. So yeah, just that's it really. Everything else is exactly the same. Yeah, so I will. There's the wort. You can see it's just started. Cloudy, murky to be expected. I'll do another one shortly to show you the progress. Cheers. Just a quick one on the lever setup. That's the right side, at the 25 past the hour position roughly. That's the power level of the pump, got up quite high. That is the wort throughput. As you can see, that's pretty steady, nice clear wort. Let's see if we can see it recirculating in the kettle around the malt pipe. I think we can, just about, can we? Can't make it out, but trust me, it's spinning around quite rapidly. That's the levers on the left side, chiller bypass mode basically, and that's the wort starting to clear up nicely. Quite happy with that. Looks a bit clearer up the top there. And then it basically goes through the grain bed and through there, back round and in to do its circuit. So yeah, pretty happy with where it's going. Seems like it's going to be a nice easy brew day. Levels are about 3 inches higher, I suppose, in the malt pipe than the kettle. I'm quite happy with that. Really hasn't moved since I put the level of the wort throughput up to that. Stayed quite consistent. I'm very pleased with that, how the wort's developing. So yeah, all good here. Cheers. It's only me again. Right, ramping up to 75 degree mash out. So just show you the wort. Looking very, very nice, I have to say. Uber smooth brew day, as nearly always with this kit. Right, let's get your finger out of the way. Show you the clarity there. Quite happy with that. Looks even better up close and personal rather than on camera. So yeah, uber happy with that. Right, get back to you when I'm sparging. Cheers. Sparging, listening to Planet Rock. Old brew days with Planet Rock on, love it. There we are. Hey brewers, on the hop stand now. Just cooled it from 90 something to 81, I think it was, and I took it off. Used about 3 litres of water. It's groundwater temp 6 degrees, so it's cold. So yeah, it's now we have it at in whirlpool mode. It's on 100% pump speed. I think that's whizzing it around pretty nicely. Put the hops in, which were, hang on 1 minute, 32 grams of Centennial and 31 grams of Simcoe. The recipe will be in the description of the video, so click on it, have a look, see what you think. Any comments, let me know. Always keen to get any feedback, good or bad. You know, you can act accordingly then. So yeah, there we are. Yeah, what else? Nothing much on this segment. I'll talk about something in a bit. Cheers. It was only me again. Right, about a month ago, beginning of December, I brewed one of my favourite beers, Northern Monk Faith clone I do, which I call Have Some More Faith, which I do. Not the last batch, the batch before came out fantastic, so a bit of a rush. I rushed it before Christmas. Spur of the moment brew day, started brewing about 3 in the afternoon, 3, half 3, something like that. Didn't finish till about 10 o'clock, something like that. No, I didn't start till 5. All the prep was done before. I give the system here a real good caustic wash and didn't rinse it out properly. There was, you know, I didn't realise at the time there was a bit of residue left in there. Went in the beer, went in there, and obviously ends up in the keg, and there's just this horrible taste with it. No matter how much I seem to drawn off about 8 litres, and it makes it a bit better, but it just still isn't nice. Gives you gut rotten, shocking wind as well. So I'm going to tip it down the grid shortly, and you probably heard a grown man cry as well. So yeah, that's where I was on that one. Yeah, and it just didn't turn out good. Just all I can do, chalk it down to experience, and hopefully won't do it again. So there we are. Brewers, just done the transfer to the fermenter. Couple of little issues. Left when I cleaned it last night, left the bloody valve open at the bottom there. What a tool. So yeah, that's the nicely aerated water. You can see a little bit of blue there. Just first ever. Bought an Ispindle off a new friend in Andy and Prestatyn, not too far from me. So yeah, just put that in, see if it works. Just get the lid on, everything put to bed now. Get the heat belt on. So yeah, that's it for today. Really good brew day again. Got just over 90% mash efficiency, about 78% brew house, 24 litres in there. You can see the 25 there, just about. Call that 24. I haven't done the excuse the mess. I haven't done that. Just going to leave that 5 minutes, let it settle out, see how it looks. So yeah, there we are. Another first brew day of the year done in the bag. Well, in the fermenter. So yeah, hopefully this will come out nice. Let you know in a few weeks. Yeah, there we are, all done. If you stayed to the bitter end, thanks for watching, and we'll be brewing again soon. Cheers.